In this video I will share with you how to make a smooth shake on CapCut. All of files are on my Telegram channel, link in description. Without wasting time, let's go. Open CapCut and add your clips, and make them ready for add shakes. Add a white screen. If you don't have white screen, you can download it from my Telegram channel. After that you add the white screen, go to blend and select overlay. Make it little, like half of clips. Go to animation and choose fade out. Now copy the white screen and add it for all of parts. Now we wanna make some movements. Go to video effect and add shake. Go to object and all videos. Now make it little. Go to adjust and do what I do. Copy it one time. Now we wanna make some blurs for make our shake better. We should to add vertical blur. Make it little. And copy my setting in adjust. Go to graph and make something like me. Copy 5 times. Now copy all of effects on next clips. Go to video effect and add rebound swing. I add this effect for make my video smoother. Also you can add it too. Go to adjust and paste my setting. In this step we want to make transition. You can don't do that, but I suggest you because it's so better with transition. Copy your graph like me and do it for all of your clips. This is final result. Hope you like it guys. See you.